Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Overall, quite the eventful day. I mean, it was already holding up nicely because it maintained above that purple line the entire day. But then, as I'm sure you know where I'm headed with this, the last 30 minutes of the day showed up. Huge surge in volume. Very, very nice explosive candle right there. Now, it did get rejected up at that pink line, which we'll talk about here in a second. But point here being, it now becomes a very valid, a very rational thought to be thinking, whoa, is this the start of something bigger? With the big surge in volume, the nice candle, are the bulls kind of warming up the engine for a bigger movement to the upside? Now, it very well may be nothing. Maybe this fizzles out. But my point is, it's at least a valid and rational thought to now be throwing out there. Case in point, when the chart looked like this, for example, I mean, like I said, overall, the chart was hanging in there. It did a good job of holding above that purple line. But at this point, it didn't really make sense to be like, oh, wow, is this the start of something bigger? Is what the start of anything bigger? Nothing's really going on. It was just simply going sideways there. But then when the final 30 minutes showed up, that's when it now becomes a valid question. So the big dynamic to continue to watch going forward is going to be that 19th. Actually, let's just get rid of this line here because it makes it so much cleaner and easier to just continue to follow that purple line. So, from the support side of things, you definitely want to see the price continue to hold above that purple line, which has been a good job of. But now from the resistance side of things, and this is the level that everybody's going to be watching. So this is not some sort of like greater secret discovery on my part. I assure you people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this area. But that's the pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at 22 cents. So if the price can get some breaks up above that level and then start to close up above 22 cents, that would definitely be a step in the right direction. But yeah, no doubt about it. Very impressive last 30 minutes. Let's see if this is indeed the start of something much bigger or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.